literally after that video, I went and bought that. Also, ignore how I look rough, but I'm gonna look good by the end of this video. So it's just like a blow dry round brush thing. I have a few of these, but the barrel on this one is a little bit smaller, so I'm really excited to see how it goes. Okay, so I'm just gonna take like a 1-inch section, and I'm gonna take the brush and I'm gonna go under and go over it a few times to get rid of frizz and just like make it lock in the style on high, and then I'm gonna switch it to the cool section at the end and hold it there and then let it go, so then the cool locks in the style. Alright, so we got a little bit of... My boyfriend is playing video games. We got a little bit of a swoop, and if you want them to hold longer, because I know they can fall super easily, I will go in with rollers on my whole entire head and just pin them up and let them sit until they cool, or like for an hour. But I'm at my boyfriend's and I don't have my curlers. I only have one, and I'm going to use it for my bangs. So I'm going to go and do that to the rest of my head, and then I'll come back for the curtain bangs. Okay, so we're going to do the curtain bangs. I did the rest of my head. Yeah. I pinned this one up because this one's like my layers and like part of my curtain bangs. And I only have one roller, so yeah. Alright, I'm gonna get my curtain bangs a little bit wet, and then I'm gonna take the round brush and go like this over and over again until they're styled the way I like, and then I'm going to put this curler in, and yeah. Woo. So I'm just gonna let the curlers sit. I got the curlers from Amazon. I'll link the exact ones I got in my bio. I'm gonna go do my makeup and get ready, and then I'll come back to show you the result. I am back. I'm first gonna take out my pinned curl, which is really tangled. Ow. Oh. Okay, we'll have to fix it. Hold on. Okay, hold on. This is literally so freaking pretty. 10 out of 10 recommend.